Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Robux in Roblox. It's pretty simple. Now Robux is the in-game currency of Roblox, so don't get confused. First you want to go to this website called roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account. Once you're inside your Roblox account, at the top right corner you can see this little Robux icon at the top right. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to give you these three options. You can click on my transition and it's going to show you the history of the Roblox you bought. But we don't want that. What we want is we want to buy Robux. So you can click on redeem Roblox code, which means if you have Roblox gift card, you can redeem it by entering the code over here and your Roblox is going to be transferred from your gift card to your account. You don't have that, you can click on buy Robux. From buy Robux, you can choose which Robux you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this 800 Robux. It's going to cost me around $9.99. I can click on it and then it's going to ask me for my payment. So I'm going to use Visa, so I will choose that, but you can use any option you have. Click on it. Once you click on the credit card option, it's going to ask you to enter your card detail. So make sure to have your card right beside you so you can enter the card details. Like you need to enter your email, which is linked with your card's information number, its month, and its CVC number. You need to enter the card holder's full name, choose the country where the card belongs to, click on where it says pay, and basically your card will be used to pay for the Robux. So that's how we guys can buy Robux in Roblox. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.